The Bare 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker is a versatile kitchen tool that can replace multiple appliances, making it ideal for those who love creating plant-based beverages at home. With its intuitive touchscreen and one-touch operation, this machine offers a convenient way to prepare fresh soy milk overnight or enjoy a warm beverage at your desired time. The machine's stainless steel interior and turbofoil system ensure a smooth texture by crushing ingredients efficiently, eliminating the need for a strainer. Safety is a priority with its dual safety system that includes temperature control and lid detection to prevent overheating and ensure proper operation. The high-temperature self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance, effectively removing residue and ensuring the machine is ready for its next use. This nut milk maker makes an excellent gift for kitchen enthusiasts, although it is best suited for non-dairy liquids and should be used with caution for certain foods.